Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Enable App Engine in your Google Cloud project using the Cloud Console in your chosen region. Pick one region near your users to minimize latency and cost. Choose one environment, standard for fast automatic scaling or flexible for custom runtimes and VM control. Install the Cloud SDK on your machine and authenticate with gCloud Auth Login. Initialize your project with gCloud in it and set the correct project ID in gCloud config. Create an app. YAML file to declare runtime, instance class, and service name for the app. Write application code following the runtime documentation for Python, Node, JS, Java, or Go. Create app. YAML declaring runtime, service, and instance class like F2 or B1. For flexible environment, use a Docker file and custom startup commands in app. YAML. Test locally with the dev server or run Docker locally before deploying. Deploy with gCloud App Deploy app. YAML and specify the service name when needed. After deployment, confirm the URL at project ID. AppSpot. COM and check logs with gCloud App Logs read for quick debugging. Configure scaling in app. YAML by setting automatic scaling with max instances and min instances. Define CPU utilization or target concurrent requests to control scaling behavior precisely. Monitor your app with cloud monitoring dashboards and create alerts for latency or error rate increases. Inspect request and system logs in cloud logging. Logs are retained according to your retention policy, typically 30 days by default. Secure your app using IAM roles, enforce HTTPS, which App Engine provides by default, and apply Cloud Armor rules to mitigate malicious traffic. Review billing in the console to control costs and set budget alerts for unexpected spend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.